Hello guys, good morning. Lala Move again. Sama na naman tayo sa Lala Move guys. Dito kami guys sa first booking namin dito sa may Paso de Blas. Dito papasok to siya guys. Papasok siya. Yan. Kasi kami pwede dun yun. Dito kami magbubok para sa aming unang book ng Lala Move guys. Punta kami ngayon guys sa Pinyan, Laguna. Doon yung aming biyahe. Layo-layo guys. Pagabi na. 5 o'clock na ng hapon. Makulimlim. Pinyan pa kami. Karating kami doon mga 6:30 gabi na guys. Gabi na naman ang uwian guys, mamayang gabi. Yan. Ito kami pabikutan na kami guys. Galing kami Pasig. Yan ang driver ko guys.
When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken. Easier. Remember that we're never in peace, yeah. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die.
Gabi na guys.
Keep this love in a photograph.
Na.
We make
Gabi na guys. Dito po kami sa daan. 12 o'clock na ng gabi. Ayan, dito kami sa may Mega Mall. Mega Mall. Malapit na kami sa bahay guys. Makarating. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.